So why you never clean the kitchen? What, you expect me to do it again? I want to you. Damn nasty girl, you see, man.
I am going outside to pray to the moon goddess. Don't eat my frog legs and pickle juice that's in the fridge. I will be back before dinner. And leave me some of that curried goat and white rice you made yesterday. If you do, I will bring you a rock for a present.
Alright, forward.
Oh, thanks, babe. I needed that.
So me I wonder if you wanted to come to Jamaica with me.
What? Of course. I've never been to Jamaica before. It'll be fun. So, when are we gonna leave?
Next month. Them time them want to leave. Really miss my family. And of course you're gonna have fun. You're gonna have a whole heap of fun. Trust me. My father gonna love you. And my sibling them.
Alright. I'll tell my mom I'm leaving. She'll be happy. She wanted me to learn about my culture more anyways. I can't wait, man. It's gonna be the best vacation ever, babes. I'm gonna love it so much.
Don't worry about it.
Do people really smoke weed on the street like every single day? Is that true? Or is it all just lies?
Alright, keep them thoughts to yourself, okay?
You know I'm just playing around.
Come, we'll go into the room. You want something to eat? Cook some curry goat.
Thanks for waiting up on me. And don't scream as much as you did the last time.
Shut up and de-story this kitty.
Watch out for my big sister. You finally come look for me. You look good, man. Come on, give me another hug. God, me miss you. How's the boys? And how is you? Rick still a tear you up? You never too old for look a tear up, you know.
You're too funny, me nah lie. How's everything with you? How's your family doing? Eh? How's Amani? How's your husband? Uh, um, I wanted to ask you something, but I'm not sure how to say it.
Lord God, what happened now? Every single minute you in a problem sharing. What bother you now? Is it Rick? Are the twin them? What is it?
It's about Rick and Sebastian.
Where you woke up yourself from now? What? What is it? Shreen, you know see you worry yourself too much? What? Look at my daughter over there, so. Guess what? She just sit down there and read the book. She not turn nothing like me. But I heard saying if you stop complaining about Sebastian, all I pity them not gonna stay the same. Him not gonna be like Richard, alright? You need to let things go now. Move on with your life and come do your ear so you can look sexy for Rick. Tear that up. I want to see you. Come sit down, man. Stop worrying your head about foolishness.
Yo, I thought you would have been working today. I'm kind of disappointed I didn't see you around the counter.
Miguel, you know since my day off, so why you coming to me with this foolishness? You know I'm not working today.
Ah, I love it when you put on that sexy ass Jamaican accent. You can talk that way to me all the time. Why you been avoiding me? I thought we were gonna go on a date, mommy. One night with me and you'll go crazy.
May I talk to you right now? I'm ready to go mad. So if me spend a night with you, then I forgot put me in the mad house. What you bother me for? Me tell you say me have a boyfriend, don't want to date you and I don't want to talk to you that way.
Listen, I'm not asking you about your little boyfriend. I'm talking about me. Get with me and you'll forget about him any day. Come on, Annie. You know you like me. I'm fine. I'm sexy. I got all the right moves. Just one date, and I promise you won't regret it.
That's funny. So like something a Jamaican man would say. Me forget about my man.
Ah, see, you rubbing off on me now. Let me and you make a little magic, and we can have our little Jamaican and Puerto Rican little babies running around the house. Trust me, you love me.
Yeah, talk about Puerto Rican. Can you even speak Spanish? Come to think of it, from I know you, me never ever hear you speak no Spanish. So me don't know where you go on about this Puerto Rican and Jamaican pitney thing. And I don't want no pitney right now, okay?
You see, you don't want no kids right now because that nigga you with, he ain't doing it right. That's why you don't want no kids.
Blah blah blah. Whatever you want to say, I don't care.
Alright, since you don't care, that means me you can go out then, right? Come on, Annie. How about we go out as friends then?
Blah 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 blah. Same foolishness. Listen, me have to go home and go cook, so I'll talk to you later. Okay? Bye, Miguel.
Alright, one day you gonna want a piece of this. You wait and see. You gonna want me.
Karen, can you please go in your room and go do all that dancing? You're blind me. Don't even know why I'm even saying nothing. I'm just gonna lock myself in my room. Hi, Daddy. Yeah, man. Look, boy, everything. I forward next month. Can't wait to see you. Yeah, things kinda alright. Just want to look for a new place to live, you know? I'm kinda get tired of it, so. My roommate crazy, and she get on my nerves. But you go see me though. Promise.
In order to feel like a hot dog, you must become a hot dog, and once you become a hot dog, ketchup and mustard will blend into your life.
Alright, Karen, anything you want to say? I'm not paying no mind. Go and be a hot dog.
I am carrying a little brown hot dog in my belly. When it is born, I will name it after the moon goddess, and it will be as beautiful as Beyonce or Rihanna.
So, you're saying you're pregnant now? Okay, Karen, whatever. You're thinking and you look ahead. I guess it will be real. Okay?
When it is born, you will be the godmother. But the moon goddess will always be the mother. I am nothing but the carrier of this beautiful brown baby. I need to leave now or I will get fired. Have a good night.
Alicia go work now. Damn mad girl. Like somebody would have really breed her. I know where she come from. Hopefully she move out so me don't have to leave. I don't know what me get myself,